Hello everybody and welcome to the week 2 module. It'll go from Monday, January 12th to Sunday, January 18th. You're watching the overview video here. The objectives and the outcomes are here. All of these quizzes are due by Sunday the 18th. If you click on one, you'll know by now that everything you need before you take the quizzes, I give you all of the information or the content that you need. So here you can make copies of these two documents and then follow along as I just go over them or discuss them with you. Say, excuse me. So finish all of these quizzes. And then you have some reading quizzes. So you'll start Mockingbird and the Cage Bird. And again, the information you need is here. Make sure you have the books. Also remember there are 2 PDFs out there. If you haven't bought the books yet, use those PDFs. However, I do hope you switch over to using a regular book or an ebook, whatever you want. And then the discussion board here. If you click on here, the prompt for the discussion board, what you will write about is here. And I have a video here that's 10 minutes long that'll go over all of this. Okay? And let's get out of here. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it because you have a video just for that. Alright, then we have this information. Read the prompt first, but then this information will help you write your formal discussion board. And then when you're ready, the discussion board on Wednesday, January 14th, by January 14th, you'll submit it here. And then also back up here, you'll copy and paste your first response here. So you're actually putting it in 2 places. Again, that this video, the prompt will go over it for you. And then here, when I correct your writing, you will be able to locate the writing, the feedback that I give you, and there's a video here that will show you where to locate it if you haven't done that before. And then feedback symbols are here. I grade a lot of papers, so I came up with abbreviations so that I can keep moving. So like if I put DSO, it means double space only. MLA, everything should be double spaced. The heading, the title, everything's double spaced. Okay, and then here if I write NN, it's not needed. Okay, maybe you put the word you, or I think, or I believe. NN, it's not needed, and BF is for be formal. Okay, because you don't need to use you, or I think, or I believe. All right, and then let's get out of here. You can make a copy of that if you wish. And then here, AI usage. I have a nice page here, which I'm going to have a video for, but that you're really going to have to watch because I do use 2 AI detectors. And then proof of written work. So sometimes some students may quote things, or I'm not sure. I will ask you to screenshot the direct quote that you used and the page and the author where you found it. So you can look that over as well. Okay, everybody, this is the overview video. Again, watch this, and the next step I would do would be go to the discussion board prompt. Okay, everybody, take care.